Now let's take a look at this figure 23-13. It deals with compressor loads, and it's load number 4. And now we have industrial process type compressors here, and we have one at 35 amps, one at 45 amps. The supply voltage is 480 volt 3-phase. Now we take the information that's given now and we do the calculation. Step 1, 220.5A, you take the supply voltage, not the voltage at the end user, but the supply voltage in the coordinates for 220.5A. So we take 480 volt times the square root of 3, and we use 831 as the voltage rating. So 35 amps times 480 times the square root of 3, we come up with 29,085 VA. 45 amps times 480 times the square root of 3, we come up with approximately 33,395 VA. Now we take those VA ratings at 100% in step 2, then we total them, and we come up with 66,480 VA. Now, in the solution, the compressor load is 66,480 VA. However, in the final load 7, if one of these compressors, like the 45 amps, is the largest motor, we would take it at 25% step 7, or you could just add it in at 125%. But the reason we apply 25% in the step 7 is so that when you select the largest motor, you only select it one time. When I was a plans examiner for the city of Fort Worth, I'd say for over a year, we would have sometimes people putting that largest motor in twice, sometimes 3 times, because they didn't have a format to use where they'd only ensure that themselves that they put it in one time. So that's what this figure 23-13 is illustrating, is the compressor load and the possibility that the compressor load, one of them may be the largest motor, and load 7 when we get to that load 7 calculation. And that's what this figure 23-13 is illustrating.